video, I'll be showing you how to place an order for one of our amazing Handstand Kitchen products that will be drop shipped right to your front door. Have you had an opportunity to check out the amazing products that we have offered on our website from Handstand Kitchen? I'm sure you've probably seen some of our videos and Instagram posts using their amazing kids cooking products. These products are high quality and very desirable by adult chefs, but easy enough and sized for kids to use with the themes that kids love. So, if you would like to have a product from Handstand Kitchen sent from Gifts from the Heart of Elk Grove and Handstand Kitchen directly to your doorstep, let me show you how you would do this. The first thing you'll need to do is select the Handstand Kitchen category in our shopping page. You'll find it right here. And then select what you'd like to order. You can order one set or all of the sets, just depending on what you need. Say, for instance, you want this festive spring set. This kit is a great option because it includes all the regular cooking supplies you need, along with a few special additions for springtime. If this is something that you would like to order, you will go ahead and click on the picture, find out all the details about this great product, and when you're ready, add it to your bag. When you're ready to check out, just go to checkout. And when you get to the checkout page, there are a few things that you will need to fill in. You'll see that here in your shopping bag or shopping cart, you have your spring baking set. You'll need to add your email, read the terms and conditions, and check the box in front to be able to proceed in the checkout procedure. You're also welcome to sign up for our email newsletter where you'll find out about the latest and greatest from both Gifts from the Heart of Elk Grove and Handstand Kitchen. And also, you'll be the first to know when we publish new videos showing you all kinds of fun techniques and ideas of ways to use products from Handstand Kitchen, both for cooking, crafts, and more. Once you have checked the terms and conditions box, go ahead and either click on checkout, or if you prefer to pay with PayPal, you can click on one of these two boxes. I'll go ahead and use the black checkout box used for regular credit cards. For this purchase, you'll want to make sure that you click on the box that says deliver or ship to my address. The great thing about Handstand Kitchen is that they will be shipping your product directly from their warehouse in Southern California to your home. And that's why we need to fill out this form differently than we would for the products that Susie, that would be me, is either shipping or delivering here in Elk Grove. You will want to fill out this information with the address where you would like your product to be sent. Now, if this is going to be a gift for somebody else, you might want it to be sent directly to their address. Or if it's something you're going to want to use, which I certainly would want to use these things, then you can have it sent to your own home. As you can see, I'm being silly here with my information I'm filling in, but you can fill in whatever information you need for where you want your gift to go. All righty. I've got one more. You'll want to make sure that you don't forget anything, otherwise your package won't be able to get to you. Once it's all filled in and you've double checked, go ahead and click on continue. And if you're like me and give a silly address or zip code, it might not work. So I'll try again. Let's see if that works. There we go. Moving forward. Now, this is a little bit tricky. You'll see that we have a few different options here, but the one that you're going to want, and it is not necessarily going to automatically default to this setting, is the Handstand Kitchen drop ship delivery. So as you can see here, the default is set on the USPS flat rate shipping, which you don't want. You want to click on this toggle switch here to get the free Handstand Kitchen drop ship delivery. And then you can hit continue. Once you've done that, you'll be able to make your payment just like you would on any other website with products that are for sale. Once you finish this, you will have your information sent to me, Susie, and then I will notify Handstand Kitchen in Calabasas, California to send you your new Handstand Kitchen products. And I know you are going to love them. So I can't wait to hear back from you about what you use them for and how you get creative in the kitchen.